From zero to AI expert, my 30-day transformation. Artificial intelligence, AI, has captured the interest of people from all walks of life, offering innovative solutions to everyday challenges. While its possibilities seem endless, the subject can feel intimidating due to its technical nature. I decided to approach AI with curiosity and determination, starting from the very basics. By breaking down the topic into smaller, more approachable parts, I found it easier to engage with the material and stay motivated. Learning AI is not just about coding or algorithms. It's about understanding how machines can interpret data and perform tasks intelligently. 1. Setting a learning plan. To create an effective 30-day learning plan, I outlined specific daily goals and allocated 2 to 3 hours each day for study and practice. I alternated between theoretical lessons and hands-on coding exercises to maintain a balanced approach. Online platforms provided structured content, while YouTube tutorials clarified complex concepts. For practical work, I used tools like Google Colab and Jupyter Notebook, which allowed me to write and test code interactively. By keeping a focused schedule and using reliable resources, I was able to steadily progress through each topic. 2. Learning the basics. I started with foundational topics, focusing on algorithms, data processing, and Python, which is essential for AI. The initial days were challenging, especially learning Python syntax and understanding mathematical concepts. Online forums and community discussions helped clarify doubts and offered guidance. Interactive exercises like small coding challenges reinforced my understanding and built confidence. 3. Diving deeper into machine learning. During the second week, I focused on understanding essential machine learning concepts and algorithms. Linear regression, decision trees, and k-nearest neighbors became central to my learning. I practiced by implementing these methods in small, manageable projects, such as predicting housing prices and classifying datasets. These activities helped me understand how algorithms function and their potential uses in solving real-world challenges. Tools like scikit-learn simplified the implementation process, making it easier to experiment and learn through trial and error. By engaging with these practical applications, I gained hands-on experience while deepening my theoretical knowledge. 4. Exploring neural networks. During the third week, I focused on neural networks and how they process data through interconnected layers. Starting with simple concepts like perceptrons and activation functions, I gradually moved on to building basic models. Frameworks like TensorFlow and Keras made it easier to design and train these models by providing user-friendly tools. I experimented with small datasets to understand how parameters like learning rates and epochs influence performance. Hands-on practice helped me grasp how neural networks can detect patterns and make predictions. 5. Real-world applications. AI's impact can be seen in a wide range of industries, driving innovation and efficiency. To put my skills to the test, I worked on projects that mirrored real-world applications, such as building a chatbot capable of basic interactions and designing a tool to perform sentiment analysis on text data. These projects allowed me to experiment with natural language processing and gain insight into how AI can handle diverse tasks. Exploring use cases in sectors like healthcare, where AI assists in diagnosis, and entertainment, where it powers recommendation systems, gave me a better understanding of its practical value. By focusing on implementing what I had learned, I developed a deeper appreciation for how algorithms and models solve tangible problems. The ability to see immediate results in my projects fueled my interest and motivation to continue learning about AI's growing influence in everyday life. 6. Reflecting on the journey. This 30-day experience has shown me that learning a complex topic like AI is achievable with the right approach. Progress was made by setting small, clear goals and consistently putting in the time to practice and learn. The combination of theoretical knowledge and hands-on projects allowed me to see how concepts translate into real-world applications. Although there were moments of frustration, problem-solving and experimenting helped reinforce what I had learned. Accessing online forums and communities proved invaluable for gaining insights and overcoming challenges. One key takeaway is that understanding AI is not just about technical skills, but also about adopting a mindset of curiosity and adaptability.